Hi everybody, my name's Elaine Duff and I am here at Sweet Auburn BBQ down in Atlanta, Georgia. And I am sitting at the bar with bartender Rebecca and general manager of this amazing place. And she's been making me some delicious cocktails today with Bird Dog whiskey. So Rebecca, what are you making me now?
We're now gonna do the ginger apple snap.
Ooh,
with the apple
fantastic.
Bird Dog whiskey, which is delicious.
Absolutely.
It's gonna do 1.5 ounces of this. And then we are going to add some house-made ginger syrup.
Okay.
We juice the ginger to get the liquid, and then we just do 1 to 1. So 1 part ginger to 1 part sugar, and you're gonna boil that together until it becomes kind of syrupy, and it's so delicious, tastes so natural, adds a little spunk to any drink you use it in. And then I'm gonna do the same with the lemon, 3/4 of an ounce. And then we're gonna shake really hard. And fill our glass with ice.
Girl's got style in her shake.
To keep the drink from melting even more and keep the flavors the same, we like to go over fresh ice. Cranberry juice, give that some nice color.
Look at that.
and
Oh my God, that
depth.
looks so pretty. Beautiful
So
color.
refreshing. And just give it a little lemon meal. Top it all off.
Fantastic. So we have in here the Bird Dog apple, a little bit of ginger syrup, a little bit of lemon juice, some cranberry. So still really simple.
So
but
refreshing.
Sounds delicious.